Hello students, I am Tejo. We are going to learn English grammar. Let's start with tenses. Tense is very important in day-to-day life. If you want to have a better communication, to communicate without grammar mistakes, you need to learn tenses thoroughly. So let's see what tense is. Tense is divided into three: present tense, past tense and future tense. Each of these tense again subdivided into four. Present tense is divided into four: simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense. Past tense: simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense and past perfect continuous tense. Future tense: simple future tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense and future perfect continuous tense. Present tense: present tense means things that is happening now, which is going on at the time of speaking. Present tense, present time. Simple present tense. First one is simple present tense. How to form simple present tense? Subject plus present form of the verb. Now a verb has three forms: present form, past and past participle form of the verb. Three forms are there. So with the third person singular subjects, we have to add yes or es to the verb. That is, there are singular and plural subjects. The personal pronouns subjects are I, we, you, they, he, she, it. Those are personal pronoun subjects. Singular subject I, you, he, she, it. Those are singular subjects. You can be singular and plural. You can be a single person or more than one person. So plural subjects are we, you, they. So with the third person singular subjects, that is he, she, it, we have to add yes or es to the verb. Here the verb is write. We added yes to the verb write. That is he writes, she writes, it writes. Suppose the verb is wash. We have to add es to the verb wash with he, she, it. He washes, she washes, it washes. Uses of simple present tense. First one, to express a habitual action. Habitual action means things that is happening in our day-to-day life, or things we are doing on a regular basis. You students go to school daily. We brush our teeth daily. We take bath daily. We have our breakfast, lunch, dinner. Those who are working in office, they go to their office daily. Those are our habitual action. So that we express in simple present tense. She drinks tea every morning. He walks to his office daily. Second one, to express a universal truth. Universal truth means natural truth. The sun rises in the east. The sun sets in the west. Milk is white. Sky is blue. Honey is sweet. Those are natural truth or universal truth. We express it in simple present tense. Now, to express a future event that has a fixed timetable. If the future event is fixed with a perfect time, we can express it in simple present tense. The train leaves the station at 2 p.m. The match begins at 4 p.m. Of course, we can express it in simple future tense also. And if the time is fixed, we can express it in simple present tense. Now, examples of simple present tense. I expect a letter today. I have given the examples with different subjects. I expect a letter today. We expect a letter today. You expect a letter today. They expect a letter today. He, she, it expects a letter today. We have to add s to the verb expect with he, she, it. Try making these types of sentences in simple present tense at home with different verbs. That will improve your knowledge in simple present tense. So, how to ask questions in simple present tense? We use do and does to ask questions in simple present tense. Examples: do we expect a letter today? Do you expect a letter today? Do they expect a letter today? Does he or she expect a letter today? With he, she, it, we have to use does, not do. With third person singular subjects, we use does to ask questions in simple present tense. Has and have. With subjects I, we, you, they, we use have. I have a letter today. We have a letter today. You have a letter today. They have a letter today. With he, she, it, we use has. He has a letter today. She has a letter today. It has a letter today. Now, homework. Write questions with do and does. Example: I like coffee. And you? Do you like coffee? I play cricket. And you? You speak English. And your brother? You study hard. And your friend Soham? I want to be a teacher. And you? Answer the following yes or no questions. Example: do you like coffee? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Do they play cricket? Does your sister study well? Does he watch TV a lot? Does it rain a lot in Chiplon? Put the words in the right order to make questions, using do and does appropriately. Example: where live you? Where do you live? Cricket like you. Always early gets up she. Study well your brother. Your sister work where. So this is about simple present tense, and we will meet again with present continuous tense. Thank you.